A Very Busy Spider by Carle. Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A thin, silky thread trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a farmyard and began to spin a web with her silky thread. Said the horse. Want to go for a ride? She was very busy spinning her web. Said the cow. Want to eat some grass? She was very busy spinning her web. Bleated the sheep. Want to run in the meadow? She was very busy spinning her web. Said the goat. Want to jump on the rocks? She was very busy spinning her web. Grunted the pig. Want to roll in the mud? She was very busy spinning her web. Bark the dog. Want to chase a cat? She was very busy spinning her web. Cried the cat. Want to take a nap? She was very busy spinning her web. Called the duck. Want to go for a swim? She was very busy spinning her web. Crowed the rooster. Want to catch a pesky fly? And the spider caught the fly in the web, just like that. Who? Asked the owl. Who built this beautiful web? The spider didn't answer. She had fallen asleep. It had been a very, very busy day. Good night, Monica. The end.